One, ready, two, and three.
Why don't you guys just please like and subscribe? Just one of y'all.
Yeah, that's worse. 4.7 KOM. The other one was like 5.2. We don't want to go straight tongue oil the first couple of coats. The reason is we want to thin it out so this wood has a chance to drink it in. Look how it changed the color already. Normally, you've been doing the neck when we've been doing these. I'm going to have you change it up and do the head this time.
Okay.
For the body, rather, I'll do the neck. And so I actually say the first thing to do, go ahead, let's put down the shielding.
That goes in all of this.
Yeah, focus right here more than anywhere, and then we'll work on getting this in because this is the part we really got to worry about. But I'd rather have the whole thing, shielded. And let's see.
We gotta shield the body.
Yeah, shield the body. I want to make sure that we leave enough shielding that we'll actually have contact on the sides, so it actually completes we want like a completed circuit if we can. Okay, so yeah, start getting that down, and it is tuner time. So yeah, I like how the ring really popped out. This got really deep looking, kind of 3D when you hold it off to the side.
Nice.
And you've got your screw gun. Actually, you can do this after you've done that. Before I start working on this, I'm going to give it one little last thin coat of tongue oil.
Okay.
Just for sake while we're working on it and to pretty it up. And I'm just at 100% pure now at this point. I'm just basically wetting it.
Thanks for staying tuned with us for part 2 of our Ktaxon Strat Kit.
Yeah, I'll catch you up here in a moment at exactly the 21-day process I went through of getting all the coating down. I'll do a little montage and show how many coats, sanding, how many days it took right up here.
Make sure you stay tuned for the complete assembly and our sound check.
I'm going to do something funny this time. Since we're using the straight pickups, and I'm not changing them out, we're going to go ahead and use the strings they gave us. I'm kind of really curious what out of the box it sounds like. Because we've really done nothing to this, but actually just put a coating on it.
Right.
Some sanding, that's it. With the kit, let's see, by the time I got here, tax, shipping, it was like $86. I'm probably in at $10 of sanding paper and material. That's it.
So you're at 96?
Yeah, that's pretty cheap build. But let's see how it sounds for 96 bucks. Oh, these are going to be easy. They've already got the holes drilled and everything.
You just take all the fun out of it, don't they?
Well, this is like one of those you can almost take it as a vacation with you and just put it together while you're on vacation. You don't need any special parts. Some people are weird like that.
Build their guitar for just a vacation.
Or just have that as a vacation project.
Oh, I gotcha.
You don't go on vacation and take stuff to do with you?
What's vacation? I work too much, Joel. You're one of 3 jobs I have. Vacation. This is my vacation. To play with guitar stuff.
Yeah, that's the way it should be.
Make funny jokes.
hope that shows up. A shiny. Oh, that looks nice. So far, all the holes on this have been drilled perfectly, so. Usually with some kits, sometimes it's sloppy hole drilling. You losing it over there?
I have had very few who know how to drill holes perfectly, so that is quite an accomplishment. Kudos to you.
Yeah.
What is it? Ktaxon? Good
You need
job.
a true craftsman.
Yeah. Someone with the proper skills. True craftsman.
You know what? These last two holes are off. Ah, I hate that. It's cosmetic. Okay, so what this will mean, I am going to basically at some point pull these off. I'm going to dowel the hole, but make a little dowel to go in there. Wood glue it, let it set, and then re-drill it. That's what I would have to do to these if these were off. Like to leave or not to leave the plastic cover on the Pickguard. It'll never look right in a photo with it still on.
Do we need to peel it off before we screw?
Oh, real quick, I'm sorry, I forgot. Undo that. We're
Oh,
going to
no.
sign the neck.
I'm done. It never happened.
Okay. I forgot a very important step. Put your Deb Hancock. Been waiting 2 days to use that joke. Put Deb and all the sign right below you. What's today's date?
13th? I think so. 10/13. Yeah, you gotta use the tip with that tool there, Joel.
Yeah, that looks horrible, but it's there. It is sound check time. So on the table here, we've got the Ktaxon Strat Kit that we just got finished building. It is set up with the stock pickups that the box came with, stock strings. Really, we've done nothing to this but provided oil finish for it and then a good solid setup of the neck and the string heights and everything. Over here is my Squire. We're going to use it as a reference and we're going to see how the two sound compared to each other, and then we're going to have a play test with this one just to kind of see how it sounds in general. Now obviously this is going to have hotter pickups, probably almost double the resistance that these are, but in some initial testing I actually was quite surprised at how well these actually perform for what they are. So do a little just tune test. Camera going down the tuner. Okay, everything's in tune. Volume pots are at 10, tone pots are at 0 on both. And here we go, low E sustain. I'm going to do it right at a second mark here so I can time it. about 16 seconds. Strat Kit. Quick tune. Close enough for this. Okay, low E sustain. Let me my time marker there. Ready. There we go. $18, $19. I got like 20 seconds out of that. Interesting. Okay. Let's do high E. Ready. Do that one more time. So I'll call that 17 seconds. Okay, so that's a little sustain test. Let's just do a quick chord. That's on the factory. Still going. Not bad. Still going. So the Squire seemed to have a little bit more presence on that chord than this one did. Now, is that strings? Is that pickups? Is it a combination of both? Well, I'll do some play testing with this one and kind of see where it goes from there. All right, let's make sure we're tuned. So I was able to get the action down pretty low. I'm sitting at basically 2 millimeters on the low E and 0.1, we'll say 70 on the high E. Not too bad. Played around with the bridge as much as I could and kept it from buzzing on the higher notes on the frets. Without spending a lot more time at it, I don't know that I can get it a whole lot lower, but I think it's acceptable the way it is. So let's just play a couple of open little chords. Not bad. It actually sounds pretty. One thing I've noticed in playing this is the ceramic pickups. They do a pretty good job of producing a clean sound. They just don't have much punch at all. So you really can't get a lot of growl out of this as I can with the we'll call it the stat specs. So really, I gotta say, it handles well. The neck is a bit thicker than the factory Strat. It's I think I've got the thinner line neck. This is as thick as the Pickguard kit was. Takes a little bit of a moment to get used to just the thicker part right here by the neck. But other than that, I don't have a lot of gripes. I do have a gripe about the misdrilled tuner holes, which I've got to fix at some point. It'd been nice if I saw those before I put the finish on. I'll check for that next time. But this finish will be easy to touch up once I go through and, dowel and cut those off and re-drill. So overall, I'd say not bad. For 86 bucks plus about $10 in finishing supplies. It definitely needs pickups with some punch. They don't sound bad. They just don't have a lot of presence. A better set of strings would be nice. I can tell these just feel weird. They have not been holding tune well at all. They've been very stretchy, as they're still brand new, but usually I've broken a pair of Diodaros by now.